Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fruit gummy bears using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite fruit puree, like strawberry or mango, for that amazing natural flavor. Then, grab 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin powder, 1/4 cup of water or fruit juice, and 1 tablespoon of a natural sweetener such as honey or maple syrup. These are all you need to start. Now, let's get mixing. Start by blooming your gelatin. Sprinkle the 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder evenly over the 1/4 cup of cold water or fruit juice in a small bowl. Let it sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. You'll see it thicken into a gel-like consistency. While that's blooming, gently warm your 1 cup of fruit puree in a saucepan over low heat. Do not boil it. Once warm, stir in the bloomed gelatin until it completely dissolves, creating a smooth, uniform mixture. With your mixture ready, it's time for the fun part. Molding. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone gummy bear molds. For those tiny cavities, a small dropper can be incredibly helpful for precise filling and avoiding spills. Once all your molds are filled, transfer them to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 30 minutes or until they are completely firm to the touch. Patience here ensures perfectly set gummies. Congratulations, your homemade fruit gummy bears are ready. Gently pop them out of their molds, they should release easily. To keep them fresh and delicious, store your gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will maintain their wonderful texture and flavor for up to 1 week. Now you can enjoy these delightful, naturally flavored treats anytime. They're perfect for a healthy snack or a fun dessert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.